In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom alarm sound on Android phone. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, as you can see, I'm on my alarm and I'm going to set a custom alarm sound on the Android. So if you already have the music or the sound that you want to set as your alarm sound, then we are going to go ahead. But if you don't have, you can go and download one from pixabay.com. Once you've done that, you'll now tap on plus. Then you can set the time that you want your alarm to ring. So I'm going to set 4. Then you will go to repeat, tap on it. Then you can select the times that you want that alarm to ring. So I'm going to set on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. Then tap on OK. Then you can now go to sound. Once you are here, you're going to select music on device. Then you can search for that sound which you have downloaded or that which you have on your Android phone. So I'm going to search for that. Then select the sound. Then go back. Then now if you go back, you will see that the music has been selected. So you will now go back. Then you can label the alarm. You can write anything to remind you what that alarm will be for. So you can just write waking up. Then OK. Then the duration you can just set for 1 minute. Then snooze duration, can select 5, then 1, then OK. Then tap on that tick icon on your top right corner. Then the alarm will be set. As you can see, it has already been set. So that's really it, guys. That's how to set custom alarm sound on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.